Right.
Haters. Look on no good. Look. Look on me. Failure no in my thing, no.
Hey, welcome back to another banger video. Today we'll be making some okra punch. Yes, okra punch. You know me always prefer I boil the okra already. I don't cut off anything off of my okra. I show you. Boil it same way. Wash it off and boil it. Right? This is some of the water I boil the okra in. I have some oats here, some vanilla, tin of milk, cinnamon powder, and some nutmeg. I'm not gonna put in any alcohol in this one, no alcohol at all. That means that if you don't drink alcohol, that's good for you. That being said, you can try this at home. Yeah, what? Let's go straight tonight. Let's blend. Alright, the first thing I'll be blending is the okra. Yes. Place it in the blender. Now I'm gonna start it to blend. It finished blend. Now come out very nicely. And throw it in the jug. There it is. This is the okra. Alright, this is the remaining of the okra water. Now we're gonna put in our oats. And let's blend again. Finish blend. Now we're gonna pour it on the okra itself. All of it nicely. Alright. Yeah. Now we can mix it together. Look at that. Nicely. Now we want our vanilla. I'm gonna put in our vanilla. Mix again. Now our cinnamon powder. Our cinnamon powder. I'm gonna put in a little bit more cinnamon powder. Nicely. You know, So I like to grate my nutmeg. You can get the nutmeg what already grated in the supermarket, or if you wish, you can grate it yourself. Because I always get it from the country itself, from the country. That's why I have these nutmeg and I use them up nicely. See, finish grater. Don't take no time. Now we're gonna put in our nutmeg. Then we're gonna mix that in. Now we need our milk. You can choose. You can use thin milk if you wish to sweeten it, or you can just use some honey and just call it a day. But I choose the thin milk today. Pour in our thin milk. Then we're gonna mix. I finished blend. Here it is, finishing touch. Our okra juice. Let me taste it. This is my first time blending okra punch, and this is a meal by itself because it's having the oats already and it having the okra itself. That means it's a filling meal, and so it will fill you up. And it's a wonderful meal, especially if you don't want to put any alcohol in it. The way to go. You know, Jamaicans, we love to put our guineas, our jagan, and every local thing in there for when they call it strong back. But today we're just doing it as a meal, a flat meal for the day. Let me say you can take one glass and can fill it up. Anyway, this is the end of my video. Be safe in this pandemic. Abide by the rules and laws. Wear a mask 6 feet apart, and please remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and please comment, thumbs up. Just continue to press that thumbs up and tell me what you think about this video. If you have an idea what you want me to try out, you can also inbox me, send me a DM on my Instagram, or you can just leave it in the comment section. I reply to all comments. Be safe.